Hey everyone, I'm excited to share with you a scalping strategy that's proven effective in the market. This strategy combines two powerful indicators to help you make profitable trades. I'll show real-time trading examples like always and show you how you can fully automate it into a bot with alerts all for free. This way you can see for yourself how it all plays out and decide if it's a good fit for your trading goals. So let's get started by adding the first indicator, the trend trigger factor. Don't worry, it's an easy process. All you need to do is navigate to the indicators section at the top of the TradingView platform. Once you're there, just search for the trend trigger factor indicator. Once you've found it, simply add it to your chart. Great. Now that the trend trigger factor indicator is on your chart, we'll need to fine-tune the settings to fit our unique strategy. Just a heads up, we'll be using this indicator in a special way different from how others might typically use it. So to get the most out of this strategy, make sure to follow along closely as I walk you through each adjustment to the indicator settings. It's important to follow these steps precisely to ensure the indicator is optimized for our specific approach. All right, with those adjustments in place, the trend trigger factor indicator is looking clean, simple, and easy to work with. It's a piece of cake. You'll notice that the oscillator contains two important components, the horizontal zero level or mid-level line, and the dynamic TTF line that moves above and below the zero level. Here's how we'll use these lines to identify trading signals in this strategy. When the TTF line crosses above the zero level, it generates a buy signal, indicating a potential opportunity to enter a long position. Conversely, when the TTF line crosses below the zero level, it creates a sell signal, suggesting a possible opportunity to enter a short position. To better grasp how the trend trigger factor indicator works, let's examine a couple of examples together. In the first example, we can see that the TTF line has crossed the zero level downward. If we draw a vertical line at the crossover point, we can easily identify the corresponding signal candle on the chart, indicating the ideal entry point for a sell order. Now let's take a look at another scenario. Here, the TTF line has crossed the zero level upward. By drawing a vertical line at the crossover, we can pinpoint the signal candle on the chart that presents a favorable opportunity to enter a buy order. Understanding the trend trigger factor is an essential part of the strategy, but it's important to note that there's more to achieving profitable trades. The strategy isn't complete just yet. We've got another powerful indicator up our sleeves. Moving on to the second indicator in our strategy, we'll be utilizing the best cloud indicator. This powerful tool can be easily added to your chart from the indicator section at the top of the TradingView platform. Now that we've added the best cloud indicator to the chart, we need to optimize its parameters to ensure you get the most out of it. Follow along closely as I guide you through the process. The best cloud indicator serves as an excellent trend detector, offering a straightforward approach to identifying market trends. To determine whether the trend is bullish or bearish, simply observe the color of the cloud and the position of the price candles relative to it. When the cloud color is green and the price candles are trading above the green cloud, it indicates that the trend is bullish, a positive sign for buyers. This could present favorable opportunities for entering long positions as the market seems to be moving in an upward direction. On the other hand, when the cloud color is red and the price candles are trading below the red cloud, it suggests that the trend is bearish, a potentially profitable scenario for sellers. In this case, you might consider entering short positions as the market appears to be trending downward. All right, now the trading rules for this strategy are incredibly straightforward, combining the power of the trend trigger factor oscillator and the best cloud indicator. But before we dive into that, I want to share something with you. At Income Nomad, we've developed hundreds of proven, profitable trading strategies tailored to different trading styles. Our YouTube channel is jam-packed with valuable resources, so I highly recommend subscribing and exploring our content to find strategies that best align with your trading approach. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're finding this video helpful so far. Here's a simple breakdown of how to enter, buy, and sell trades using these two tools. For buy trades, seek a bullish breakout of the zero level on the TTF oscillator, signaling an upward trend. Confirm this uptrend by ensuring that the signal candle's close price is above the green cloud on the best cloud indicator. When both conditions are met, you can confidently enter a buy trade. To manage risk effectively, set your stop loss just below the recent swing low of the market. For an optimal exit strategy, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1, or to ensure better results while minimizing potential losses, make sure to watch the entire tutorial because I've got a real gem for you. For sell trades, identify a bearish breakout of the zero level on the TTF oscillator, indicating a potential downward trend. Verify this downtrend by checking that the signal candle's close price is below the red cloud on the best cloud indicator. With both criteria met, you can proceed by entering a sell trade. To manage risk effectively, set your stop loss at the most recent swing high of the market. For an optimal exit strategy, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1. Now that we've gone over the ins and outs of the buy and sell trade rules, let's jump right into the thrilling backtesting following with the results. We put the strategy to the test on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana chart using a 5 and 15-minute time frame and the trusty risk-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1 that we talked about earlier. The outcome, we saw an impressive 80% win rate out of 100 trades. For sure, real-time trade results will be different due to spreads and fees, and of course, your mindset when you'll be initiating each trade. Speaking of which, make sure to check out these 3 must-watch videos on human factors, risk management, and the brilliance of the fib levels. Using my settings, trust me, these will take your trading strategy to the next level. And don't worry, I didn't forget. I know you're thinking about it. Also, be sure to watch the other recommended videos on your screen if you want to learn how to fully automate any trading strategy into a bot with alerts. If you've got any questions, ideas, or thoughts, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. I love chatting about trading with you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.